In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone alarm sound being too low. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you have alarms on and they play, but you can't even hear them because the sound is too low, and then you miss work or anything like that. So the first thing I want you to do is, once you're in your alarm section, is go over to the time that you want, just click on it, and then you want to make sure that you definitely have a sound enabled. The reason I say this is because like certain times whenever you like enable them, they might not even have a sound, but like another time that's like 15 minutes later might actually have the sound. So you want to make sure that you have the radio sound, which is the default one, or you can have any of these other ones. And if you want to download any, you can go to the tone store as well. You want to make sure the haptics are on and not on none. That's basically your vibration. So then once you're done with that, just change the time to whatever you want, and then click save once you've enabled a sound. And then from here, if it's still too low, what you want to do is go over to your settings application. Once you're here, it's going to look something like this, and you want to scroll down until you find sounds and haptics. So then once you press this, you want to make sure that your ringtone and alerts volume is as high as you want it to be. You can also change it with buttons if you want. It says the volume buttons can be used to adjust the volume of the ringtone and alerts. And then after that, if that still doesn't work, or if it's still not loud enough, you can scroll down until you find built-in speaker volume limit. So just click on that, and by default it's about 50 to 60%, and all you want to do is just make that as loud as you want. And now whenever your alarm plays, it's going to be a lot louder. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.